Hi, I'm Oliver Dawkins and I'm the Data and Training Coordinator on the Building City Dashboards project at Maynooth University in Ireland. The project that I've been working on here is a real-time 3D model of central Dublin. So we have architectural models and we use these in an application that was built to demonstrate the value of augmented realities and virtual realities in helping planners make decisions about the future organisation of the city. What my project does is go beyond that by looking at a far larger area of the city. What this also allows us to do is overlay streams of data from a range of different sources. These might include official statistics, planning information. Most excitingly, you'll also see that we now have the capability to incorporate dynamically changing data from sources like internet-connected sensors, digital infrastructures, and different web services. This means that certain aspects of the model can be updated in near real time to track physical, environmental, and socially relevant changes in the city as they occur. Currently, our model covers 28 square kilometres of Dublin. Within that area, we have over 59,000 separate buildings. Each can be clicked on individually to see the associated data. Using open data from Ireland's residential property price register, we can also show you the market value of a property. We can show the locations and prices of a large number of Airbnb properties as well, covering the whole of the centre of Dublin, and we can show how much they are charging. Price per night is visualised as the height of the point here. So we can go in and we can zoom into a specific area, for example, and we can see maybe the listing down there. Alongside data on properties, we can also show wider information on land zoning and development plans across the city. We can also visualise official statistics for different areas of the city, and here you'll see we have data on the population for each area in Dublin. Each area can be clicked on, so you can query the data separately and have a look at your own area. We also have heat maps for noise levels and air pollution. The model also incorporates data on the natural environment. We have access to a large database of over 55,000 individual trees, and you can click on each one to find out the type of tree. What's really novel about the model is that it also incorporates real-time information about what's happening in the city right now. This layer shows the availability of the Dublin bike share scheme in real time. The system checks for updates once a minute, and if you sit and watch, you can see as people move around the city using the bikes. We can do similar for availability of the Dublin car parks as well. As well as receiving data from different types of sensor, we can also perform analytics on the data. This is because we have a platform behind this 3D model that aggregates all the information. In this example, we can access streams of geolocated data from platforms like Twitter, so you can see exactly where the tweet was been made. Here we perform a basic sentiment analysis, so you can see how the person who made the tweet is feeling as well. Behind the 3D model, we have workflows which process all the data which go into making the model. And these workflows allow us to output the data in different formats that we require. It also allows us to put the data directly into databases. We have a range of different back-end tools. So for example, I have this tool which is reading data from Twitter and then outputs it to the 3D model. With those workspaces, we can create our own APIs as well, so we can ingest data, transform it into the way that we need it, and then we can output it in a way that can be used by our 3D planning tool. But most powerfully, this could also be used by other tools as well. So the value of the project lies in the ability to see the city as a whole, and then to be able to dive down into different areas of the city, compare different data sets and see what's going on at any given time. That can show us patterns of behaviours and change over long periods of time, or we can focus down to minute by minute interactions and changes. And this really gives us an opportunity to change how we make decisions about the city and to do that more responsively in real time.